Here we are group 4 members, class 1B, and today we'll want to demonstrate on how to make the compost manure. And before us we have the requirements in making the compost manure, and I want one of you to tell us the materials that we have. Yes, Felix?
We have leaves,
Yeah.
we have wood ash, there is animal waste, topsoil, water, kitchen refuse.
Yes. So,
Then lastly, we have stick.
yes. So those are the materials that we'll use in making our compost manure. So I want one of you to tell me the first thing that we have to press in this container that we are using to put our materials as we are making the compost manure. Yes, Mebra?
We started by putting dry leaves.
Yes. Thank you. The next step. One of you to show us the next step. Yes, Jasmine.
The second step, we are going to use this kitchen refuse. We are going to spread it on top of this.
Yes, so we have the kitchen refuse. The third step, one of you to show us.
Okay, the third step will take animal waste.
Yeah.
Then we put in our container that acts as a heap.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, so he's now spreading the animal waste. Thank you. So we'll have to move to the next step. The next step, one of you to show us. Yes, Felix.
The next step, we take the ash, then we spread it on top.
Yes. Yeah, so he's spreading the ash on top of the kitchen refuse, on top of the animal waste. Thank you. So we'll move to the next step. One of you to show us.
Okay, the next step will take the soil. Oh, we take the water.
Yes. So the next step is to add water.
Okay, water.
Yeah, thank you. Then we proceed to the other step. And one of you to show us. Yes,
We are
Jasmine.
going to take this sand or soil,
Yes.
which is acting as our top layer or cover. Then we spread it that way.
Yeah. So after adding water, we spread the topsoil. The next step,
We took stick, then we
yeah, Mebra. So I want you first to add the top cover. So add the dry leaves on top. The stick will use after 3 days. So thank you. So the dry leaves again act as the top cover. And one of you to tell me why we are placing the dry glass. Yes, Tobit.
Okay, we put the top cover to avoid the evaporation of the water from our compost.
Yes, so we put the dry leaves on top to reduce the rate of evaporation. Yeah. So I want one of you to tell me how we'll put the stick after 3 days. Yes, Jasmine.
the stick we are going to put it in a slanting manner.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how we place the stick, and we place the stick after 3 days. So this will, why do we place the stick? What is the purpose of this stick? Mebra, can you try?
to show if the manure is ready.
Yeah, Tobit.
We put the stick to regulate the temperature.
Yeah, or yeah, to show the temperature.
Yes.
So, and what will we do if the temperatures are high? Yes, Felix?
We'll add water.
Yes, we will add water. So, the stick, if we place it, so we will tell if the stick is warm, so you'll just know the temperatures are high in your compost manure. So, you'll add water. You will add water to regulate the temperatures of the compost manure. Anyone with a question? Yes, Tobit?
Madam, what is the function of the ash in the compost manure?
Anyone to try before I answer the question? Yes, Jasmine?
Ash act as a base. Then it also adds nutrients.
Yes. Anyone who can mention some of the nutrients that ash adds in the compost manure? Yes, Felix?
Magnesium.
Yes?
Potassium.
Yeah.
Manganese.
Yeah. We have magnesium, we have manganese, we have calcium, and we also have potassium. So those are the nutrients that the ash adds in our compost manure. Any other question?
And teacher, how would it show that the manure is ready to use? What will show that manure is ready to use?
Anyone who can try?
A trial.
Yeah.
If we use our stick, if we place our stick, I mean in the compost, then when we take it out or we draw it out, it will only come with one layer.
Yeah. Yeah, so after maybe we said that we place our stick after 3 days. So after we place it, will have layers. But as time goes by, the layers will have to form one layer, showing that the compost manure is well decomposed. Are you okay? Yeah. Any other question? Yes.
Madam, when will you know that the compost manure is ready to be used or applied in the farm?
Anyone who can answer the question? Yes, Felix?
Just as you have explained,
Yeah.
after we've withdrawn our stick from the manure, from the compost manure, and after looking at the layers and we see that we only have one layer formed,
Yeah.
that will mean that the manure is already ready for use.
Yeah.
Madam, excuse me, please. I mean the time that it will take for you to note the.
Yeah, mostly. Yeah, Felix?
I think it's 2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah. Mostly it takes 2 to 3 weeks and your compost manure is well decomposed, so meaning it is ready for use. Any other question? Yes, Jasmine?
Mwalimu, why do we use stick after 2 to 3 days, but not immediately?
Anyone who can answer? So if we put immediately, then there is no decomposition that will have taken place because you have just prepared. But we are saying after 3 days so that at least decomposition can have its time to start decomposing. So the materials can have their time to start decomposing. But immediately there will be no effect on the stick. Yeah. Any other question? You are all okay? We have no other question. So that was the presentation on how to make compost manure. This is group 4 1B. Thank you.